All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes,
Okay.
please.
I studied in a KIPS school, Lahore. When I was in school, I love to do arts and craft. The most I love, but there were so much competitions and art and craft activities in my school that I did at school. Uh, but when I remember I was in 10th class when I selected for the competitions and I made a sketch of our national poet Allama Iqbal. I remember uh, I used to paintbrush, art sheets, and different brushes and these type of painting stuff for made this our activity, and it seems like real stuff, but after all, named it as Iqbal sketch, and it was a great experience for me, and I was very excited for these competitions. So overall, I was very happy for my competitions and for my sketch. And after all, I finished it and named it as Iqbal sketch.
All right, this is very good. You spoke for 1 minute 9 seconds, but you spoke very fluently. So try to speak a little more. And in actual exam, when you are interrupted by the examiner, then you should stop. The good thing is your language is good. Just try to tailor your answers according to IELTS. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Just see what is it that they demand. There are 4 things: fluency, pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Use a variety of words, variety of sentence structures, pronounce them well, so you'll be able to get good bench score. Looking at your overall performance now, I give you 6, but with a little extra effort, you can make it 6.5 to 7, right?
Thank you.
Thank you.